Namaskar, I hope you are well. So you are looking on this my video. I am something here story. So so make actually I make a sentence every day. Will practice in this my video. Share me. So I will try. I will try it because now in very important question is to practice to easy way. This is the question first in time. My blogs you are looking so here. The tense prepositions, WH word, questions, uh, uh, vocabulary, English in spoken is very important. So firstly vocabulary and tense, uh, some little sentence, uh, mentally set up every day, some little sentence spoken practice every day. Uh, so too easy in my word. Actually I do the work in some at my work. You can see this is my video. You can share. I will try because now every work আমি চেষ্টা করি। I will try to আমি চেষ্টা করি। আমি যাব। I will go to আমি যাব। আমি যাব না। I will not go to আমি যাব না। আমি আজ যাব না। I will not go to today আমি আজ যাব না। তুমি আসবে? You will come তুমি আসবে? সে যাবে? He will come go to যাবে? সে কি যাবে? Won't is not try